Hello everyone, welcome to another video about Shopify and AliExpress. Today I will show you how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. This is the easiest method out there, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you log in into your Shopify. Now, since I don't have a Shopify store currently, you can actually go here and just type in Ali reviews. Like that. After you are done, hit enter. And you will need to find this application right here, which they have a free plan available, and they're probably the best, they have the best interface, and they are the best when it comes to importing reviews. So click Ali reviews here. After you are here, click add app, and once you add the app in your store, you will actually have two basically options. You have free, right, pricing, which you can import Amazon reviews, import AliExpress reviews, right? And you have 30 review limit per product, or you have a premium version, which is everything in basic, and you have a lot of different other stuff that you can add. So once you add this app to your store, this is basically how the app will look like, right? Now, once you're in the app, you will need to click manage reviews. After you click manage reviews, you will get all the basically all the items that you have in the store, and you can actually go on the right side and you can import reviews. So you will see how this looks like in a second. Basically, on the right side, once you click manage reviews, you will have import reviews. Click on import review on a product, and then all you have to do is you have to find the product, copy the link of the product, and paste it in AliExpress product URL. You will see our AliExpress product URL, and then you can also put a number of reviews, for example 10, 20, 30, and minimum stars, put 4 or 5. And that's pretty much how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. If you have any questions or maybe comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.